All right, so this is a now vintage Eureka contour, and it does work. I just replaced the cord on it in a separate video. That link to that video is in the description should you want to see that. These machines were really something else. They had this quirky feature where they had this dusting brush with a little valve back here that you can, press and depress, and it will route the suction straight through this little chamber, and it's supposed to clean this brush off. I don't know that it really worked all that well. Just kind of a weird, funky design that these had. Interesting machine. And I think Sanitaire, now owned by Bissell, still has a derivative of these with the black commercial grade units that they have now. I think that those were a cousin of these, basically. So what we're going to do is just service it. Now, unfortunately, parts for these I don't think are available anymore. I don't know that any of the parts from the black machines would work. These take the Eureka J bags. But unfortunately, some things you're going to kind of have to make and repurpose. I'm going to find some scrap foam, see if I can make a new filter. And old filter, new filter. So we'll just stick that right back in where it's supposed to go. These were not sealed machines. So this machine was a trash find, and it came with some bags that were right next to it. These are actually decent bags. They're micro-lined, so they do filter a little bit better than the single layer paper bags. Still a paper bag though. So now to get to the power nozzle, we just have, I think, these two screws. We'll pull these out. Actually, before I reinstall these, I'll go and take them to my wire wheel on my bench grinder. So, kind of tell all if this thing's going to be worth going any further with is this brush roll. That's not horrible. I don't know that you can get new ones of these. But what ends up happening is people don't service these belts. These belts should be replaced every 3 to 6 months. It's a good rule of thumb. This one has definitely had it. And it's good that it's worn out like this because it's not going to continue messing with the brush roll. I think these take U-belts, not the Panasonic U-belts, but take care of this motor shaft. Originally, I do have a Eureka U-belt. This is a Panasonic U-belt. You can see it's much too long. This one is a little bit shorter, so it should work perfectly for this brush roll. All right. stick this back on. All right, so we'll stick this back on. Everything's down and lined up. Now I'm just going to go clean these off. Okay. Look a lot better, don't they? All right, so let's get this thing down below and see how it works out. So all in all, that turned out pretty good. Thing has quite a bit of power, 12-amp motor, so that's probably why. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.